The 2028 Honda Ridgeline is coming in with everything critics have been demanding for years, and it's shaping up to be one of the most compelling mid-size pickups money can buy. If you've been on the fence about the Ridgeline because of its mild looks or its gas-only engine, those concerns are about to become irrelevant. Most buyers default to the Tacoma out of habit without realizing the Ridgeline is going to leapfrog the competition in ways nobody expected. Let the countdown begin. Number 6. New, bolder styling. Let's address the elephant in the room. The Ridgeline has always been a solid truck, but its styling has been a sticking point for years. Mild, crossover-like proportions put off a lot of potential buyers before they ever got to experience what the truck actually does well. That chapter is closing. Honda is bringing a significantly bolder design to the third generation, one that leaves the soft-edged wagon aesthetic firmly in the past. The silhouette is shifting towards something more upright and truck-like, taking clear design cues from the new Passport. Think sharper lines, a more muscular stance, and proportions that actually communicate capability. The days of explaining to your friends why your truck looks like an SUV are over. Beyond aesthetics, the new design direction also signals a change in how Honda is positioning this vehicle. Not just as a smart, practical alternative to real trucks, but as a truck that can hold its own on appearance alone. Here's something worth thinking about. A lot of buyers never even test drive the Ridgeline because the exterior doesn't pull them in at the dealership. That's a purchase decision being made in the parking lot before a single door gets opened. The 2028 model is going to change that dynamic because when a truck looks the part, buyers give it a chance to prove itself. For buyers who are already sold on the Ridgeline's practicality but wanted something that looked the part, this redesign is a genuine turning point. That matters more than most people realize. But a bold new look is only half the story, because what Honda is putting under the hood of this truck is where things get really serious. Number 5. Brand new V6 hybrid powertrain. This is where things get genuinely interesting. Honda is developing a new V6 hybrid powertrain specifically for its larger vehicles, and the 2028 Ridgeline is going to be among the first to receive it. The numbers Honda has confirmed are hard to ignore. 30% more efficient than the current gas-only engine, and more than 10% quicker. Both of those figures represent meaningful, real-world improvements, not just spec sheet padding. But this story isn't just about efficiency and pace. What makes this powertrain stand out is the V6 foundation itself. Mid-size trucks have been trending toward turbocharged 4 cylinders in recent years. The Tacoma, the Ranger, even the Colorado have all moved in that direction. The Ridgeline is going the opposite way. A V6-based hybrid system is something you simply cannot get anywhere else in this class. That means more refinement, a broader power band, and the kind of smooth, predictable power delivery that V6 engines have always done better than any turbocharged 4. Think about what fuel costs actually look like over a 5-year ownership period. At current prices, driving a mid-sized truck 15,000 miles a year adds up fast, and a 30% efficiency gain translates directly into hundreds of dollars saved annually, without giving up a single pound of towing capacity. That's the kind of improvement that pays for itself over time. The system is also expected to use multiple electric motors, with one handling the rear axle independently, giving the Ridgeline a more capable all-wheel drive setup than before without added mechanical complexity. Whatever the final towing figure, a more efficient, quicker, and more capable Ridgeline is on the way. Now that hybrid option is going to turn a lot of heads, but what if electrification simply isn't for you? The next reason to wait has the answer. Number 4. The V6 is not going anywhere. For all the excitement around the new hybrid, there's a group of buyers who want no part of electrification, and Honda has heard them. The naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 is expected to carry over into the third generation alongside the hybrid, giving buyers a choice most competitors don't offer at this level. Honda has been perfecting this engine for close to 3 decades. Smooth at idle, responsive under load, and remarkably durable over the long haul. It's one of the most proven units in the segment. Some truck owners have watched the industry's shift toward forced induction with real skepticism, and not without reason. High-pressure fuel systems, turbocharger wear, and hybrid complexity all introduce variables that a naturally aspirated V6 simply doesn't have. No turbo lag, no added complexity, no battery to eventually factor into a resale calculation. For buyers who prefer the straightforward ownership experience of a proven engine, the gas-only Ridgeline is going to remain a compelling option, and having 2 powertrain choices is an advantage the Tacoma, which reserves its hybrid for upper trims only, doesn't fully match. So the powertrain story is already strong, but step inside the cabin and the upgrades waiting there are just as hard to overlook. Number 3. New interior. The Ridgeline's cabin has always punched above its weight in space and everyday livability, but aesthetically the current interior has been showing its age. Build quality was never the issue. Honda interiors are known for durability, but the design language lagged behind what rivals were offering in terms of modernity. The 2028 generation is addressing that directly. Larger screens with an upgraded interface are expected, along with improved driver assistance and safety features. The direction is more purposeful and contemporary, without abandoning the practicality Ridgeline buyers have always valued. Consider how much time most truck owners actually spend inside the cab. For the vast majority, this truck is a daily commuter first and a workhorse second. Seat quality, screen clarity, phone connectivity, those things shape the ownership experience every single day. Washable materials, thoughtful storage, and a layout built around real use are all staying, but now wrapped in a cabin that feels like 2028, not 2018. And if a more refined interior already has you interested, wait until you hear what Honda is doing with the Trail Sport trim. Number 2, a more capable Trail Sport. Honda has been getting progressively more serious about the Trail Sport name. What started as a mild appearance package is becoming something with real substance, and the 2028 Ridgeline Trail Sport is expected to go further than any previous version. Expect knobby all-terrain tires, a high-clearance bumper, and the signature orange detail work. But the meaningful changes are underneath. Taller suspension, upgraded underbody protection, and improved all-wheel drive hardware are all anticipated. Here's the frustration many Ridgeline fans have carried for years. The Trail Sport badge raised expectations that the hardware didn't always back up. Buyers who wanted to use their truck on unpaved roads or rutted campsites found the current model's off-road credentials had real limits. The 2028 version is being built to close that gap. It won't become a rock crawler, but for light trail work, overlanding, and unpaved adventure driving, the next Trail Sport is going to be a far more credible choice. Still, all that capability means very little if the truck beats you up every time you drive it, which is exactly why the number 1 reason to wait is the most important one on this list. Number 1, class-leading ride quality. This is the reason the Ridgeline has a loyal following that no amount of Tacoma advertising has ever fully eroded. The ride quality is simply in a different league from every body-on-frame rival in the segment, and that's not changing. The secret is the platform. While the Tacoma, Ranger, Colorado, and Gladiator all use traditional body-on-frame construction, prioritizing payload at the expense of comfort, the Ridgeline rides on a unibody platform shared with Honda's SUV lineup. The cabin stays quieter. The suspension moves with the road rather than fighting it. Picture a typical week of ownership: highway miles on Monday, errands Wednesday, a long drive on the weekend. Body-on-frame rivals send jolts through the cabin every time the suspension hits a seam in the pavement, and after enough miles it adds up. For buyers who've spent years driving trucks that leave them feeling it in their back by the end of the day, that difference isn't subtle. The new generation confirms that the unibody platform is continuing, with chassis upgrades expected to accommodate the hybrid system and improved off-road hardware, without touching the ride refinement that defines this truck. That's the right call, and it's the reason the 2028 Ridgeline is worth the wait. What the 2028 Honda Ridgeline represents isn't just a generational update, it's Honda finally building the truck the Ridgeline was always capable of being. The styling complaint is gone, the efficiency gap is closing, the Trail Sport is gaining real teeth. And through all of it, the quality that has always separated this truck from every body-on-frame rival, that SUV smooth, back-friendly daily driver ride, is not only staying, but it's also being refined further. The Tacoma has held the default position in this segment for a long time, but default choices have a way of losing ground when the alternative gets this much better. The Ridgeline is shaping up, but it's not like the competition is doing nothing about it. The 2027 Toyota Tacoma Hybrid, which you can check out in our next video, is getting updates as well. From impressive torque to the broadest range of off-road variants, the Tacoma remains a quintessential midsize truck on the US market.